In this video, we'll be doing another example of integration by u-substitution. Our problem is to evaluate the integral 2x times the square root of x minus 3 dx. Now we know that we need to choose an expression for u-substitution, so I'm going to let u equal x minus 3. Then when we find the derivative of this, we get du equals dx. And we have something for dx for substituting, and we have something for the x minus 3, but we still need to find something to sub in for this x factor. So we need to take our u statement and solve for x. So if we add 3 to both sides, we see that x is equal to u plus 3. So now we can have u plus 3 in for x and something in for these two. So now let's do our substituting. I'm going to pull this 2 out in front of the integral. So I have 2 times the integral. In place of x, I'm going to put u plus 3. And then square root of u. And then in place of dx, I'm going to write du. Now my integral is all in u, so I can go ahead and do that. I'm going to rewrite this as u to the 1/2 power. And then distribute the u to the 1/2 power through the binomial here. I have 2 times the integral of u to the 3/2 plus 3u to the 1/2. Now let's just write my 2 out here. Increase my exponent by 1 and divide by the new exponent, so that'll be u to the 5/2 divided by 5/2 plus 3, and then u to the 3/2 divided by 3/2, and then plus my constant. Alright, let's simplify these complex fractions. I'll keep my 2 out in front for the time being. This is divided by 5/2 is the same as multiplying by 2/5. So I have 2/5 times u to the 5/2 plus 3 times 2/3 u to the 3/2. And then plus my constant. My u was x minus 3, so I'll sub that back in. Plus I'm going to go ahead and distribute my 2 through again. So 2 times 2/5 gives me 4/5. And then in place of u, I need to put x minus 3 to the 5/2. And then these 3's cancel, and 2 times 2, that'll be 4, and then u is x minus 3 to the 3/2 plus constant.